Hey techies, welcome or welcome back to K Talks Tech. I'm Kay, let's talk tech. I'm back again with another one of those lists that you seem to really enjoy. This list comes from Indeed and it is showing the top paying consultant jobs. Now, what's interesting about this list is a number of these top paying consulting jobs are in tech. So let's go through them. Marketing consultant. Marketing consultant is not really tech, but it has a heavy tech component, okay? Because marketing technology is kind of hot right now. Associate consultant. An associate consultant is like just a helper for the main consultant, according to the Indeed article. And you can go to the Indeed article using the link at the top of this list and review these in detail and look at their comments on what each job entails. HR consultant, technology consultant. That's us. That's us. And these salaries are national averages. Okay. So far, the highest one is technology consultant, $82,885 a year average. So if you live near a large city and you're working in a large city, you're probably going to make more than that. But that's because the cost of living is much higher than it would be in a more rural area. So let's move on. Investment consultant, sales consultant, environmental consultant, software consultant. Ding, ding, ding. That's us again. And this one is $87,860 a year, national average. So far, that's number 8. And that's the highest salary that we've come across, even more than the technology consultant. Okay, next is business consultant, advisor slash coaching consultant, security consultant. Now, security consultant, that's also tech. So that's 3 out of 11 so far. Is it 3? Technology, sales, and security. Yeah, that's 3 out of 11 so far. And the national average for that one is 79,976. So it is the third highest salary on this list so far. And the other 2 higher salaries are in tech. Next is management consultant. Now, the management consultant is $91,108 a year national average salary, and that is the highest one so far. So it's not part of tech, but that's 1 as opposed to 3 so far. Let's see. Next, we have financial consultant, systems consultant with an average of $86,862. So that puts it within the top 5 on this list. And last but not least is senior consultant. So that one is $106,305 a year national average. So a senior consultant would be like the principal consultant, right? So sometimes a consulting company comes in and there's basically the person who is in charge of that team, person who's leading that team, or the person who's leading the project. So that's the average for them. So a senior consultant is probably, well, let's say there's a very high probability that that senior consultant works in tech. So out of the 15 items on the list, we had 4, maybe 5 of them in tech. I would even say that the advisor coaching consultant can be considered a tech job because a lot of companies hire agile coaches for their teams. But that advisor consultant coaching is also meant to encompass freelance consultants that work with individuals like I do. So there you have it. Those are the highest paying consultant jobs. I hope this has been helpful for you. Like, share, subscribe, follow, join, and come back where we will continue to talk tech. Bye.